I haven't had that nigga come bring the money out.
Yeah.
What?
Say no more game.
What, baby? A run, baby. Super son.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Nayquan. Welcome to the channel, man. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how y'all can spin y'all phone in slow motion, man. Now, this been going around on TikTok as a trend. You feel me? I believe I'm the first person on YouTube to make a tutorial on this. So make sure y'all smash that subscribe button and leave a like on the video if y'all want me to do any more tutorials like TikTok trends, anything y'all want to know. You feel me? Just comment down below. But I just want y'all to smash that subscribe button. And yeah, man, leave a like on the video so this can recommend the video to more people. Alright, but anyways, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how y'all can do this. Now, I was doing this wrong, you feel me? So, I'm gonna be showing y'all how y'all can do it. So, I got one of my phones right here, you feel me? This is one of my old phones. I'm gonna be showing y'all how y'all can do it. So, basically, I was making a mistake because, like, it's like this trend on TikTok where they hold their phone and they throw it up in the air and they spin. And I was doing that wrong. So basically, what everybody is gonna tell you, they is gonna tell you to just go to slow motion and just throw your phone up. But that don't work. It don't work.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
You have to edit the slow mo. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do everything. You feel me? And yeah, man. Y'all boys, I had to go outside to finish to show y'all how to do it. You feel me? Because it ain't enough room in the house to spin my phone in the house. As y'all can see, I'm on slow-mo right now. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try to screen record it for y'all. I'm gonna try to screen record it. Alright, y'all boys. Y'all wanna go to y'all camera right here, you feel me? Then y'all wanna go to slow-mo. Then what y'all wanna do, hold it just like this. And then just throw it up in the air and catch it. Right after y'all do that, y'all gonna stop the video, right? And then, since it's still screen recording, I can show y'all how to edit. I'm gonna show y'all the next step right now. Since it's still screen recording. So what y'all want to do is go to what y'all screen recorded, press edit. Y'all gonna see it, and then it should be these white bars at the bottom. So y'all gonna trim it to the part where y'all launched it off your hand. So like right here, I'm gonna say like right here. I'm gonna trim that back. So then, look, when you play it, when you play it, it's gonna do that. You feel me? See, look, just like that. Then boom, there y'all go. Now, if y'all don't like the way it turned out, you feel me? I don't know. Y'all just gotta edit it yourself. But y'all see what I did. That's how it works. Like, you can trim it to where you launched it off your hand, so it can, like, you get what I'm saying. So it can move fast when you launch it off your hand. Then it slows up when you. Y'all see what I'm saying, man. So that was the tutorial. I hope y'all like the tutorial, man. Smash that subscribe button, leave a like on the video. And it's the end of the video, end of the tutorial, man. Y'all stay tuned for more bangers. I'm out, man.
I haven't had that nigga come bring the money out.
Yeah.
What?
Say no more game.
What, baby? A run, baby. Super son.